From a success perspective, transformation in particularly, but overall, any planning and delivery, defining business value is critical. And I see a lot of initiatives, projects fail to tie this together. The second piece in any transformation planning or delivery activity is partnership. The way our ecosystems, or at least any decent sized ecosystem success looks like, it's not a siloed act. It's not one person. It's always a team working together. And within an organization, I've noticed when we look into our deliverables, we silo our disciplines, groups, individual setups. In order to be successful, it's a partnership. It's a team event. Once we come together, that's how we deliver success. Because if we are not on the right page, if something is not working out together, we will not achieve our true value. I see a lot of ecosystems, disciplines, initiatives where we fail to build partnerships. It's a cohesive environment that includes tech, operations, sales, leadership, communication, marketing. And that's how a stitcher, a person like me or a group like me, puts it together. And that's one of the goals that we've got to make sure that partnerships are built. Within a delivery, everybody is working towards the same goal, trying to achieve the business value together, not separately.